My name is Eric Gunderson Foster. I'm a senior program manager on the global real estate team for the trade desk. So Buehler Companies provided storage for the packages that we needed to order and deliver, did not have space for in our current office. They also handled all of the packing, unpacking within our old office to our new office. They handled IT setup from disconnecting computers, desktops, very crucial parts to our operations. By far, it was probably one of the smoothest vendors that we worked with on the Denver project. We were challenged at the end of the project with numerous changes in our move, and Buehler helped smooth that over. We did not have any casualties as far as monitors or equipment, decor. The entire process just was such a smooth one. I would absolutely consider recommending Buehler Company for anyone that's considering a move. Without a doubt.